Thank you very much, Acharya. Questions అన్ని కూడా చాలా థాట్ ప్రొవోకేటింగ్గా ఆలోచించే విధానంగా ఉండే. They were all well formulated questions. I think Acharya Gari has answered all the questions to best of his knowledge and ability. But one thing is that these are all questions related to life. If Acharya Garu may permit to make this statement, there is no single answer to any of these questions. An enlightened soul will try to encompass a lot of perspective, their own experience, wisdom, knowledge into the answers. And that's what Acharya Garu has told us, that's what it is. If each individual of us answers this question, maybe he will have a slightly different perspective or something more to add. Okay, so there is no single answer to any of these questions. These are questions that are always relevant to our life. At any moment, even after 10 years, 20 years, if you just look at these questions, there's a different perspective that you might have for these questions. Anyhow, I'm very happy about this session. There's a lot of interaction among students. I hope the same thing is in your minds. Like I said, I was supposed to introduce Acharya Garu in the beginning of the session. Deliberately, I just few things open. Just for one reason, నేను ఏదైతే ఆచార్య గారిని ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేద్దాం అనుకున్నారో, మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ యూ మైట్ హ్యావ్ అండర్స్టూడ్ వాట్ he is by now. Okay, the type of service he has done, the type of attitude he has, the type of thinking a person has, the thought process, his wisdom, his knowledge, and so on and so forth. Real life lo kuda we come across so many people in our life. Okay, sometimes we get people introduced. Most of the times we need to judge a person, we need to understand a person, we need to have perceive things from a person, and there's a lot of we need to listen to a person, and there's a lot of giveaway that each of the person gives, and based on that we need to understand a person. So in the last 1.5 hour, 2 hour session, there's a lot of understanding and there's a lot of exchange of thoughts and connect that happened between you all and Acharya. And just to add a few words more to what he is the founder and executive chairman for Lead India 2020 Foundation. I remember this Lead India 2020, the term Lead India 2020, it was actually coined 20 years back. He has been working on this goal single-mindedly and been contributing to nation development. And he's also founder, chairman, Lead India, Bharat Ratna chain of schools. An incident where myself and Acharya were sitting in a temple very close from here. It is in Vanasthalipuram. We attended a program and we just went to a temple and sat in the veranda. We were just talking. 25 years back, he said, now I have a vision to start schools in India which will be a hybrid model which will encompass our ancient wisdom, human values, and latest technologies. That is my vision of an ideal school, and someday I want to start that. And today he has started a chain of schools which exactly do the same thing. So that's what vision and goal setting is a perfect example of it. Like Acharya said, though he missed being an MBBS doctor, he still achieved doctorate. From past 35 to 40 years, he's been principal research investigation of human values, education research, compiled into an national education model. It's not an exaggeration. Like he best believed that human values have to be imparted at a very early age. College lo though is the right time to get imparted. Schools lo when there is a tender age is the right age to impart. Now by this time you might have understood what is the association Acharya ji has got with our former president Acharya Kalangaru. So much they connected each other. The way they got connected was Acharya ji has written a book about Abdul Kalam, and it is published and circulated. It so happened that one day he got a call from Kalam ji. Somebody handed over that book to him. He read that book and he said it's an interesting compilation of my life story. And whoever has written this, so it was Acharya's name. So Kalam ji has himself tried to contact Acharya ji. He did not go to Kalam ji and said, I've written a book and recognize that. He did his job. He said that he is a great personality, I should write about him. He just wrote it and left things to nature. But so happened that Kalamji himself happened to see that book and he is called. And he got impressed by the human value transformation model, and he said, I would like to contribute to this. Let us both work together on this. There's so much that can be done in terms of building this nation. There's so much that has to be done at school level. So Acharya ji himself has come up with a transformation model for schools, and it was successfully implemented in 23 districts in combined Telangana AP state and 9 other states. It was a model where, like a regular syllabus, it was given to students on a regular basis. They were taught, and mentors observed all those teaching effects, and they've systematically noted down the transformation and the change that was happening. And it just like a diary was given to them, and they were supposed to note down all the points in them, and it was a year-long training, and it happened for several years like that. Kalamji Garu, when he was president of India, himself had written to the collectors of various districts to study and send a feedback on this teaching model. And collectors did a study and found out that there were a lot of positive transformation that has happened among students, and that was submitted to the President Garu. So much transformation work has been done at schools levels. Even today, the people who contribute crores of rupees through Acharya and through this foundation in terms of transformation and imparting human values at school level. Even today there is a program that's running in Khammam district which is for the entire state. A donor, Heterodrugs, actually contributes or donates 1 crore rupees every year to run this program, and it is given successful, very successful models. So like you have seen, he's a great visionary. He has been in research from 1982, and he has dedicated 40 years of his service, and there's a lot of things that worked with Abdul Kalam ji, and even today he's still in service. He wants to contribute to the nation. There's so many things. There are 5-6 pages about Acharya Garu. But most importantly, I guess, there's been a physical connect between you and Acharya Garu. That connect is important. Feel of oneness, that we are all one and we just need to work together for those change and the betterment of our life and nation building. I think let's carry that message from this meeting, and next 2-3 days we are having this training camp. So I request all of you to be an active participant, and like Acharya said, at the end of the session there's a lot of discussion that's going to happen. You can discuss any doubts, you can express anything you want to state. It need not be a question you want to state. You have something that it's important for everyone else to learn, you can state it. It's just like a close meeting, oneness in family. We can discuss, we can elaborate. So let's all use this for our individual development and in turn our nation development. Thank you very much.